Signing a client from cold email challenge part 2. The campaign is live. It's on extremely low sending volume because I wanted to be realistic for you guys and show you what the actual ramp up would look like. So this campaign has been running for about 2 weeks on insanely low volume. We've hit up 1,200 people. We have 9 positive replies, which is incredible. And it looks like 2B and 1D are the winners. So I want to go down here and see what I said in 1D. Are you taking on new web design clients? Let me see. Okay, video pitch, obviously, not surprised. And 2B video pitch, right? So everything is pitching a video for the most part, which is to be expected because that's what works the best. Now let's go into the actual replies and convert some damn calls because this is part 2 of the video series. The pressure's on. I need to convert at least one of these into a call. So let's see what we got. Romy wants a video, so I'll save that for the end and I'll actually make him a video. This guy wants a video. Okay, so like these are high intent replies. People are asking for the video. Yesterday I filmed a video for Mark and he didn't get the thumbnail link, so I sent it manually. Let's reply to him right now. Hey Mark, did you have a chance to check out the video yet? Let me know if you're still not able to see it on your end. If you did get a chance to watch it, let me know how tomorrow or Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern works for a quick call so we can discuss full cold email campaign build out for you. If it's easier, grab time on my calendar. Let's grab my calendar link, toss it in here, and we have handled this reply. Next person down. Also got sent a video. I'm just going to go in here and follow up with them so we can get them on a meeting. Sure thing. Here's a video going over the cold email strategy that got 11 leads. I'm just going to use the same response, right? Keep it simple. That is a wild first name if you read it. Did you have a chance to check out the video yet? If you did get a chance to watch it, let me know how tomorrow or Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern we'll change the time. Grab the same thing. You know, we can reach out to 10 to 15,000 new prospects for you each month using the same cold email scripts you see in the video. If it's easier, grab time on my calendar here. Great. Okay, cool. Sent. Followed up with Hugo. Once again, same thing. Got the initial video, didn't respond. Gonna hit him with the same follow-up. Let's just keep switching up the time so not everybody asks for the same time. Grab time on my calendar here. Okay, great. Send it. Looks like we have 4 more people. Another person that didn't answer. Okay, so it looks like I have some inbox management issues here, which I will be better with because I need to close a deal from this campaign to prove to the people at home that I can close a deal from cold email on camera. So all these people are asking for Loom videos. The biggest bottleneck right now is that nobody's answering after I send it, which is fine, but I'm just going to keep ramming this follow-up out to everybody. Literally everybody's saying, sure, why not? And then once I send the video, they're falling off. So I need to work on my video skills or just keep following up with them. Hey, Marlon, just going to keep switching the times up. Send that bad boy. Aaron, send it over and I'll check it out. Okay, so literally every single person in this inbox is at the same damn stage where they're not answering the video pitch. 9 a.m. Eastern, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 12 p.m. your time. He's in the UK. Think on your feet, Christian. Good stuff. Grab a time on my calendar here. I'm just ramming this follow-up out. At least 2 or 3 of these people should convert into a demo or I will keep following up or die trying, right? So it's like the initial campaigns are going good. I'm getting responses. I just need to convert meetings. Okay, these are all answered. I need to go film a Loom video for these 2 people and I'll be back to wrap this up. All right, so the first video is recorded. Cold email strategy for Bunker Monkey. Let's go over and send it. Hi, Annabelle. Sure thing. Here's the video I recorded going over a cold email strategy for Bunker Monkey that will, in the video, I explain how we can use the exact same cold email strategy that got you to reply to my email in your own, or we can help you utilize the exact same cold email strategy that got you to reply to my email in the first place. Doing some cold email inception here. How does tomorrow or Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern work for a quick call so I can show you to discuss pricing and next steps? If it's easier, grab time on my calendar. Calendar link, great. Paste it in, get that bad boy, send it off, good to go, right? All set. Now we have to film another Loom video for this person. I'm just going to recreate it for their business with their website pulled up. Okay, video number 2 is filmed. I am just going to take the same template that I sent over to Annabelle and send it over to Romy, right? Okay, great. Copy this Loom link, paste it in, make sure I switch the company name, Elemental. I explain how we can help you utilize the exact same cold email strategy that got you to reply to my cold email in the first place and send it to 10,000 prospects per month. How does tomorrow or Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern work for a quick call to discuss pricing and next steps? And we have every single lead responded to. All 9 leads have been followed up with. On the next video, I'm going to launch a new campaign alongside the web design campaign, because I am just going to launch new campaigns and manage inboxes until we close the deal, and I'm not stopping until that happens. So you guys are literally witnessing a cold email campaign in action every step of the way. Until I book a call and close a deal, this series will keep going. Thank you for joining. I will see you on the next part. Hopefully I have some calls booked, or I might have to go on a hunger strike, but thanks.